Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a Node.js SMS authentication example using MessageBird SDK. So this is the application that we will be building. This is a short demo. Here we will be asked to enter my phone number. So I will be entering my phone number with international format +91. So if I click on send code, it will be generating a verification code that I need to enter here. So I will be entering my verification code 706199. So now if I click on this check code button, it will be telling me that you have successfully verified your phone number, like this. You can see that. So this is a application that we will be building in this tutorial. So we will be using this MessageBird SDK. So this is the official website of this library. You have to create your account here, and after creating your account, this will give you 10 credits that you can test your application. After that you have to buy their packages, and there is a library out there which is MessageBird npm package that we will be using inside this application. This is a simple interface for Node.js application. This is MessageBird REST API for Node.js. We will be using this library, and all the source code of this application is given in the video description. You can just check the GitHub repository. So this is a address here. You can see that if you go to this, you can download all the source code. So let's get started by building this application. How to get started? Just create a folder onto your desktop here, which will be Node SMS example. So you can just give any name of your choice. So just open this folder inside your command line, and first of all we need to initialize our Node project. So we will be executing a very simple command which will be npm init-y. So this will create the package.json file with the default options, that is name of the project, description. And now we just need to install some dependency. So we will first of all install Express. This will be our server, and Express Handlebars. So this will be we will be using this library to embed HTML inside our application. And we also need body parser to get the values which are sent by the post request. And lastly, we will install this MessageBird library, which is very much required for sending SMS. So enter it, and these dependencies will be installed instantly inside your package.json file. So just wait, it is installing. So now you can see that these dependencies have been installed, and one other dependency we will install. This is a dev dependency which is nodemon. So this will restart our server whenever we make any kind of changes to our server. So this will install nodemon. So just wait. So after this we will be opening this project inside our Visual Studio Code. So now you can see that it has installed here, and we will be opening this inside our Visual Studio Code text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. So as you will see that it has created this file package.json. So this will have the name of the project, version, description, all that stuff. And this is the dependencies that we have installed: body parser, express, handlebars, and MessageBird. And this is a dev dependency nodemon. And now in order to initialize nodemon, we just need to create a start script which will be nodemon index.js, and here we just need to name it as start. So when we type the command npm start, so this will start our server. Now we just need to initialize our Express server. So now just create index.js, and first of all we just need to import the Express library, and then we can just create a simple app which will be listening on port 5000, or just say that I have an app which is running on port 5000. So let me just change this port to 4000, and this will print on the console that app is running on port 4000. And now if I go back to the command prompt, and if I execute the command npm start, so this will start my server on the port 4000. You can see that. We will be making a simple form in order to submit your phone number. For that, we will be first of all be importing some libraries, which is Express Handlebars. So we will have to require this library Express Handlebars that we have installed, and one other dependency which is MessageBird in order to send SMS. So we will be requiring it, MessageBird. And in order to set up the access token, you need to write parentheses, and inside this you need to copy paste your access token. So if you create your account here inside MessageBird, you will see that, let me have this website. I have successfully created the account here inside this. If you go to the dashboard, you will see your API keys. So let me just copy paste my API key here. So in the production level application, you don't have to share this access token. So I am just using for test purposes here. And after setting it up, we need to first of all set the handlebars. So app.engine. So inside this, we will set up handlebars. We will pass the handlebars here in single quotes, sorry. Put a comma, and here you just need to write express HPS. So this is a variable which is holding the reference of express handlebars. So inside this, you have to provide your default layout property, which we will be calling as main. So we will be creating this file main.handlebars. After that, we will be setting our engine by the help of app.set. So inside this, we will be passing the view engine in single quotes. And we will be initializing it to handlebars because our view engine in this case is handlebars, like this. After this, we just need to also include the body parser middleware. So we will be including this also, body parser. We need to require it, and now we just need to use it in our app. So app.use body parser .url encoded, and inside this we just need to pass the option of extended to true. That's it. So this will initialize our body parser middleware, and now we just need to make a simple request in order to load our view app.get. So when we make a get request on the home route, which is /, we will be having our callback function which will have the request and the response. So this will be an arrow function, and here we just need to render out response.render, and in this case we just need to render out our step 1. So this will be our step 1 file here that we need to create, and now inside this we just need to create a folder which will be holding our views. So inside this we will be making our step 1.handlebars file. So this is a sign of this handlebars library here. So inside this views folder, we also need to create a layout folder which will be holding our main.handlebars file. So this will be holding our layout. So now inside this layout, we just need to write a simple layout that we will be having. Now guys, we will be writing our layout file inside main.handlebars. So first of all, just change this folder name to layouts. Just add a s here, layouts. So inside this, we will be having a simple HTML document here. We will be having head, title will be MessageBird verify example, and inside the body we will be having a simple heading, again MessageBird verify example. And now in order to embed the dynamic stuff, we just need to write triple braces here, and inside this we will write body. So all the views will be getting rendered inside this body. And now we just need to write our step 1 handlebars file here. So inside this, first of all, we will check for any kind of error. So if any kind of error take place, we will check here. If error, then we will display that error in the paragraph, that is error. So this is a way by which we can just display variables in handlebars. We just need to close the if condition here, that's it. And now we just need to display some HTML. Please enter your phone number like this in international format, starting with +91 to receive a verification code. And now if I refresh it, if I go back to the application, localhost 4000 port number, so you will see that, guys, this is a HTML which is rendered out, and now we just need to create a simple input field where we can just ask the user to enter his phone number. So right here we will be having a form element. The action will be going to the /step2 route, and the method will be post. Inside this form we will be having an input field of telephone, because we are entering the phone number here, and I will be giving a name to it of number. In this case I don't need ID. And also we will be having a input type of submit. The value will be send code, so we will be sending this code to this number. If I refresh it, you will see that just wait, you will see that this is the input field. Here you can just write your number, and this is a send code button here. When we click this, we will be sending out a verification code. Making a post request to the step2 route here. So now we will just write here app.post. Inside this we will write the route step2. So this will take the callback function, arrow function. So inside this, first of all, we have to get the number which the user has typed. So we will be storing it inside this variable number. So we can simply get by request.body.number. So whichever name attribute that you have given to this, we just need to write this. After getting the number, we just need to send the verification code. The way by which we can send it, MessageBird dot, that is verify dot create. So this will generate this verification code, and inside this we just need to pass our number, and then a template we just need to pass in curly brackets, template. So here we will write here your verification code is %sign token. So this will be printed out on your mobile phone. So when you receive the message, so you can just format your message anything. So this is a template, it will be there, and after this it takes the callback function. It will be holding the error and the response. So if any kind of error take place, first of all we need to check it. If error take place, we just need to console log on the console error, and also we just need to render out a template response.render, and we can move on to the step 1 again, and we need to pass a option here in the curly brackets, error. So error will be equal to error dot errors. This is the array, so we are getting the first element and we are accessing the description property. So this will be printing out the error, so whichever error take place. And if no error take place, then in the else block we just need to create the verification code. First of all, we will be consoling log the response which we have get from the server, and then we will be rendering out a template. We will go to the step 2 template, and we will be giving it a property, passing a property which will be of ID. So this will be the ID property that we will be pass here. So ID, so this will be response dot ID. So now we just need to create our step 2 file here, step 2 handlebars. So just move on to the views folder. So here you just need to create a simple file, step 2 dot handlebars. So right here Inside this we just need to write again. We first of all need to check for any kind of error which take place like this. If error, then we just need to print out in the paragraph element. And in order to close this, we will close the if condition. That's it. And now after that, we will be having this response. We have sent you a verification code to your mobile number. So here we will be allowing the user to enter that verification code. So again we will be having, please enter your code here. So we will be having a form element. The action will go to step 3 now, and we will be making a post request, so the method will be post. So inside this form we will be having a input type of hidden. This will be a hidden field which will be holding the ID for us. So let me also provide a value to it, which we will be getting from the index.js, which will be ID. That's it. So this is a hidden field. And also we will be allowing the user to enter that verification code. So name will be here token. We don't need the ID. And also we will be having a submit field in order to allow the user to submit. So the value will be check code. That's it. And now we also need to create one other file which will be a success message if the user has submitted the right verification code. This will be step 3, handlebars. So inside this file we will be having a simple paragraph. You have successfully verified your mobile number. That's it. And now we just need to write a simple post request to our step 3 route here. So right here we will write here app.post step 3, and this will take the response, request and response arrow function. So inside this we just need to first of all check if the verification code is correct or not. And for that we first of all need to get the ID. So we can just get it request.body.id, and also the token request.body.token. After getting these two things, we just need to now trigger the SDK verify.verify. So this will verify the token here. First of all we need to pass the ID and the token, and then it will take the callback function. So this will hold the error and response if any kind of error take place. This will be arrow function. And first of all we will check for the error. If any error take place, we will be rendering out the template of step 2 again, and we will pass this error like this again, error.errors0.description. Same stuff we are doing in the previous step. Also we have done the same thing. And we also want to pass the ID also, ID. That's it. And now in the else block, let me put a comma here. If no error take place, if the verification code is correct, then we will be rendering out our step 3 template. So we will be writing this inside step 3 here, single quotes. That's it. So now our application is complete, guys. So now let me just see if any kind of error take place. So you can see that no error is taking place. If I go back to the application, and now if I refresh it, if I submit my number here +919821254649 and click on send code, so it will send a verification code here. So you will see that if we have sent you a verification code to see that, and in the mobile you can also see 213948. 213948. If I submit this, click on check code, you will see that you have successfully verified your mobile number, guys. So this is a simple application that we have built using MessageBird SDK to verify your authentication inside Node.js. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, please subscribe the channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.